Xiaomi has launched the MIJIA Smart Yuba bathroom or toilet warm air lighting system. The new product is a trimmed-down version of the MIJIA Smart Yuba Pro that was launched in September 2020. The upgrades over the previous model include the use of Japanese DC inverter motors, support for 120 degrees swing wind, 2800 watt power, 15 degrees Celsius temperature rise in 1 minute, and adjustable third gear. In this case, the MIJIA Smart Yuba has powerful AC dual motors and is capable of extremely fast heating, super long air outlet area, and can be intelligently controlled. The product uses PTC ceramic heating module with a power of up to 2400 watt. The temperature can be increased by 10 degrees Celsius in 1 minute, which could bring warmth in a moment. When you get home from getting off work in the cold season, you can take a hot shower right away. In addition, 2 gears are adjustable, including a warm air block and warm air high block. With the 52 cm super long air outlet appearance, the bathroom circulates air, delivers warmth to every corner with a lighting brightness is 1100 lumens. The device features a wireless Bluetooth remote control that can be attached anywhere. The remote has 8 buttons with functions that are easy to spot at a glance. The Smart Yuba comes with IPX4 waterproof rating and a 2-year-long battery life. It also supports mobile phone remote operation whereby homeowners can turn on the heating in advance and enjoy a warm bath when they get home. It can be linked with a temperature and humidity sensor and can automatically switch on and off functional modes such as blowing, defogging and drying. The Xiaomi Smart Yuba is priced at 699 yuan or $99 and is presently listed on Tmall. How do you like this device for your bath? I really liked it. Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you soon.